what it takes to make you fall in love with me. Am I the real deal or just another one of those who fake it? Maybe I don't really know you. Maybe I don't really know myself. Let me rest in your arms until the morning comes and fades away.
It's been raining and the weather has been so beautiful in Mumbai. All I want is to lie down and binge watch. But काम तो करना है, and there is a huge list of things that I want to do. So here is what I do when I really don't want to even get up from the couch. My first and foremost theory is borrow motivation. I watch motivational videos and listen to several TED Talks or audiobooks, mostly podcasts to be honest, and then get a sudden kick inside me that I should start working. And once I am motivated enough, I break down all the things that I want to achieve throughout the day into small set of achievable goals. Now, breaking down these tasks into smaller manageable steps, it gives me a sense of achievement every time I achieve even a smallest thing. Like making this cookie just took me 15-20 minutes, but it was so big in my head, and I knew that if I make this cookie and I'm going to be relaxed for next entire week for Ishi's snacks. But even that was not motivating enough. So often at times, it's always good to seek inspiration and borrow motivation from others. So when you're planning all these tasks, do make sure that you leave some time gap in between the task for any avoidable situation or any task which might take longer than you expected. And honestly, that happens all the time. Say for that matter, maybe this cookie in my mind should take almost just say 15 to 20 minutes. But while I'm recording, it takes me more than an hour or so. Room to something or the other goes wrong. So for that, there should be a breathable room while we are planning these tasks. Only then we'll be able to achieve these little goals. By the way, this cookie recipe, I don't think you will find anywhere on the internet. This is very indigenous and kind of a kitchen experiment that I did few months back, and it turned out to be really good. So do give this recipe a try if you have fussy kids who do not like to eat seeds or nuts. It's a very good way to incorporate in form of cookies. Since the cookies are in the oven now, so I have some minutes to sort out my groceries for the week. Now, before I start ordering groceries or start with my meal plan, I like to check my inventory. Now, checking the inventory means going through all the bins, seeing what's left in the bin, also checking all the current bottles or jars of things that have little or very something remaining in the jar. That gets noted in my meal plan spread of my journal, that these needs to be consumed first. The process remains the same for the fridge as well. So for that matter, say if I have very little cheese is left or chocolate half bar is left and I know that I have to consume it in order to order the fresh batch. So first I'll note down that in my journal and then plan the meals accordingly instead of going to the market and buying new things. Here, as you can see, all these pulses or lentils are half filled. So all these lentils get noted in the spread that these are the pulses and lentils that needs to be finished during the week. So somehow it has to get repeated in meal plan in one way or the other. On my phone, I have an exhaustive list of my pantry and I keep marking them as soon as I know that something has gone out of stock, that something has finished, and then I need to place an order for it. Where I stay, usually grocery and pantry items comes within an hour's time, so it's really easy and quick for me. Vegetables, I like to buy it from an organic farmers market that happens every week in our society, and I really like the quality of it, so I prefer going that every Saturday, but rest of the thing comes online. For the refilling of the jars, my process again remains simple. Either I wash the jars or decant the jars, whatever is remaining. So I take a bowl and decant everything that's there in the jar and then start refilling the first batch. Here is a small tip or a request if you're watching my videos, that if every time you snip a packet, leave the snippet of the packet inside just as you can see, and just flip it inside so it's not difficult for you to decant anything. And like this you will be able to save so many animals, those stray animals who eat in the landfills. You are going to save so many of them. So do not throw small plastic. They are ingested by stray animals. They don't know whether or not they should eat it or not. So like that you will be able to save so many lives. Few weeks back, I redid my kitchen and I added couple of new things, and they have been working really, really well. All these. But with that said, not everything can be replaced. Some systems have been robust for over the years and they don't need to change. They have been working perfectly. Like for this oil bottles, they have been working so well for us. Now that the major work of the day is done, that is pantry refilling, I will quickly make lunch for myself and relax for some time. While Ishi finishes her schoolwork, that is the time I'll start with rest of the meal prep. And I'm going to reward myself with a very delicious, my style of quick, spicy salad recipe. It does not require any grain, any major cooking. It's quick stir fry, it's super spicy, perfect for the weather that's outside. I'm using tofu, but go ahead, use paneer or chicken or egg. Any form is perfect for this recipe. It's super versatile.
Gonna love you till the end of time. And I know you're the one. Our story's just begun. I'm never gonna let you go. With your love I'll never be alone. There's only one thing I know for sure. I'm never gonna let you go.
Do give the recipes a try and leave me a comment. How did you like it? Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, which I know you haven't because Google says this, YouTube says this, that 95% of my viewers haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. It's free. It really helps me and keeps me motivated to make more videos for you guys. So consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. Leave me your valuable comments. As you know, I really wait for your comments. And I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, bye-bye.
Honey, let's take a leap of faith. And I know you're the one. Our story